He needs to gun it. You like the little doo-doo? Little wussy horn?
Oh, look, I took a picture but he went by so fast
Oh.
it didn't show.
Oh, she was good.
Freddie, watch out, honey.
Look at Grandma Cree, Eliza.
She won't get off the motorcycle now. She just wants to keep riding. I went up there and she's like, keep going. Okay, just
Now
hold
you're
on.
a motorcycle mama, Jen.
Okay, I gotta get off first, so just stay there. Okay, now you just slide off that way. You never go off this way because the pipes are hot. It's easier getting off of there.
Woohoo!
All right, you rock. She did it.
You feel like you're 19 again?
Yeah.
Maybe 20. Need help?